Good afternoon, traders. It's 30th of January 2026, and today we are going to review the market based on the market turning points and the bank indicator. So, first of all, let's start it with the Euro USD. So, first of all, as we see that the price is declined from the bank selling, and then it came to the bank buying order, and this was the first, almost the first retest. Uh, and then after the first retest we have seen the price has went up, and then it has give you a second chance, and then you can see the price is up again. So overall, we have seen the double touch on the bank buying order today, and this is very powerful indicator, and it has provided us with a buying opportunity. At next, I'm going to talk about the market turning points indicator. So if we see here the bank selling indicator and the bank selling and the bank buying, they are not retested because we trade the first retest. So that is why I'm going to hide this one. But overall, if we talk about today tradings, then we have seen there was a selling opportunity on gold 5 minute, and then it has created another selling opportunity. And right now, if we just have a look, the gold is reversed from the buy opportunity, and right now the sell opportunity is coming and vanishing. Why? Because it get fixed on the second candle. Like you can see here, the second candle is in formation. So if the level will get fixed, then this sell opportunity level will get fixed. So until unless the second candle does not close, so it will keep on blinking like this, like you have seen, because still there are 20 seconds you can see on the screen that are left for the completion of the candle of the 5 minute. Okay, so this is how the market turning points indicator works. So it fixed on the second candle. Like for example, if we talk about this opportunity level, then this candle was fixed almost here, somewhere here on the second candle, and then the level get fixed, and then we basically go with the stop loss above that level like this, and simply we take a selling opportunity like this. But right now you can see the next candle has started and the level is not fixed yet. Okay, so this is how this indicator works. The market turning points is basically the real time indicator. It provides you with the real time levels. Like for example, the price has liquidated the retail traders who were taking their sell positions here. So the price liquidated them, and after the liquidation, you can see this indicator is smart, and it has provided you a selling opportunity, and you can see your AUD, it's down. So where the market turning points is applicable, so if you are a forex trader, if you are a crypto trader, if you trade whatever you trade, it doesn't matter, if you trade stocks, whatever, crypto, so it works on all assets, and you can simply use this indicator with a very ease. It has some static levels, and also it also create the real time levels as well. So for example, this level was created here on the second candle. You can see price went up, and then it has created another buy opportunity in real time on this second candle, and you can see the price is up. If we talk about the bank orders, then bank orders is also a very interesting indicator. Now you can see this was the first touch, the price is down, so the price is coming for the second touch, so it's not applicable right now. Okay, so what we trade, we basically trade take the first retest. So for example, this is the first retest that happened on the bank selling here, and then you have seen the price simply went down. So the bank orders indicator is subject to the first retest. Okay, like even we will not take that trade because the first retest is already happened, and the first retest of the bank buying is also happened on the Bitcoin as well. Okay, so this is how the bank indicator works. Now the question is how you can book the lifetime version of the bank indicator. That's very simple. You can find our Telegram channel and link and the email address in the description of this video, and then you can request us for the lifetime version of the bank indicator or the market turning points indicator. The both indicators are very powerful and provides high quality trading opportunities, and all you just need is to go with the stop loss, and that's it. They are very simple and easy indicators based on the price action. So if you want to book the lifetime version of any or both indicators, you can contact through Telegram or email.